Layer half of the salted peanuts evenly at the bottom. In a medium saucepan over medium-low heat, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 1/4 cups peanut butter chips, stirring constantly until fully melted. Stir in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk until the mixture is smooth. Add 2 cups of mini marshmallows and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir until marshmallows are completely melted and the mixture is well combined. Pour the mixture over the layer of peanuts in the baking dish. Smooth the top into an even layer. Sprinkle the remaining salted peanuts evenly over the top, pressing them lightly into the mixture. Refrigerate the dish until the mixture is firm and set, typically a few hours. Once set, cut into bars and serve.